Hey everyone. I know it's been a while since I've been on here, but I've been kind of busy. I've been trying to launch my own business, believe it or not. I'm going to be doing a salon, renting a salon suite, and I'm going to be doing makeup with my niece who does hair. She specializes in locks. And the business is going to be under Shadow's Beauty Bar. So I'm getting close to getting the keys for the suite so I can start decorating, and I'll get some footage and some video once we get it all decorated. So that's part of the reason that I've been haven't been on. But other than that, I've just been pretty busy and trying to stay busy, that is. And I've also come across some new products. So, not new in the makeup world, but just new to me. So, I'm going to be on here quite frequently to introduce these new products and showing my haul. So, this isn't going to be a haul. This is just going to be going over this look that I created, and it is featuring some of the new products I just got. So this is a company called Question Beauty. I think they're fairly new, a fairly new indie brand, and they're based in New Zealand. So I've been seeing a lot of their products advertised on social media, so I decided to try some of their products, and so far I like them. So in this look is featuring their mascara in Arctic Ice. Don't think it's blurry, but that's what it's called, and it's white. And that's what I have on the lower lashes. And then for this shimmery silver on my lids is by Question Beauty. It's one of their loose pigments in silver mirror. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. Real crazy. So that's what it looks like. I don't want to open it because it's kind of flies all over the place. So and then also their lip gloss, and this is called Hollow Obsidian. And I really like their lip glosses because surprisingly, when you put on a lip gloss, usually when it starts wearing off, it doesn't look good and you have to touch it up. Well, with these, they look better when they start wearing off, surprisingly. It's kind of weird. But I got a few of these, and I got a couple more on the way. So once those come in, I'm going to do just a haul. So that's what this look is featuring. I will tell you what else I used for these lashes. These are Butterfly Effects by Desi lashes in the style Flashy. And for the eyeshadows, like I used a black eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. Just the black right there in the corner. And then I used this color. I don't even know. I would assume the company is still around. It was that company that Lala Anthony had launched a couple years back called Motives. And this is a color in Cappuccino. I wanted to use like a cool tone transition color, so that's what I used, kind of up in this transition area. And then I used a dark gray from this palette. It's called Blue Sky. I guess the brand is called Color Cosmetics, maybe. Oh yeah, Color Cosmetics. I don't know if they're still around, but it was this Blue Sky palette, and I just wanted to find a gray to use in the crease, so I used that gray there. So if you have some colors that are close to that, you can probably duplicate the look. And so that's how I got the smoky part. And then I just used a black base and I applied the silver mirror on top. And you might have seen that pigment, that silver mirror pigment, because Nikki Tutorials, she did a video using it too. For the blush, I'm using the Morphe Cheek Thrills and After Party. And I just used the powder and the highlight, the cream highlight, just these two. And for foundation, I'm using the Nessa Myricks again, Yummy Skin number 9. To prep primer for the face, I used her Yummy Skin Glow Serum in Main Squeeze. And that's pretty much it. I got these earrings. I thought they kind of reminded me of me. So they have kind of a gold side and a silver side. And I got these from Memorial Weekend. They had an event here called Melanin in May here in Indy. And I got these because they were... they had the afro, kind of reminded me of me, so I got those. I thought they were cute. I got some other earrings from there too. So these are some these I don't know, but from the other place I got some earrings from, they were all handmade. So I will be using putting those on in upcoming looks too, to enhance the whole vibe. So I think that's pretty much it. I got this is a bracelet from No Goo, and they're a Canadian brand. And I think that was it. So I hope you like this look. I will be back very soon, I promise, with some more looks and products to try. This tutorial will be linked down below, linked to my TikTok, so you can see how I applied all of the products. So again, I hope you like this look, and I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching.